Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my grocery haul as well as weekly meal prep and food prep for the week. So last week I shared how I meal plan and I shared my weekly menu. So this week I am sharing with you what I have bought for this week's menu. So there are dinners here: buffalo chicken, pork tenderloin, baked pesto chicken, garlic shrimp, crock pot French dip, and burgers. So the only thing I didn't buy is the beef for next Saturday because I haven't been able to find any on sale. So I'm going to wait to see for the turnaround, the new flyer on Thursday. And then today is Saturday when I'm recording this, and we are having steak on a barbecue, so I had bought some stuff for that. So I went to two different stores. I went to Canadian Superstore where I can price match, and I shared how I do that using a Reebee app. And then I also went to a local deli, and it's also a European store, local deli, and bought some cold cuts and just few things for we have a holiday on Monday, so we're gonna be taking the kids to the beach, so I just bought some snack items. So I'm going to start over here. I had bought my toilets keeps having some stains ever since we came back from the holidays, so I needed something maybe with bleach or something. I know it just bleaches, it doesn't actually clean it, but I can't seem to find anything that will clean the stains unless I bleach them. My local store still doesn't have the Method wood cleaner, so I have bought my second favorite, which is the Pledge with amber and argan scent. And then for this month, or until I use this up, I'm going with the lime sea salt scent for the all-purpose cleaner. I use that mostly in the kitchen alongside of my antibacterial. I had bought 2 packages of club-sized chicken breast. They were on sale. And then for the beach, I don't know why I got myself dirty, but anyways, for the beach, I bought mini peppers. For my veggie tray, I have bought the cherry tomatoes and extra cucumbers so I can make a veggie tray. I have bought some for the week for salads, bought some tomatoes on the vine, extra peppers, some beets, because I'm going to be making roasted beet and feta cheese salad. I had bought some pitted olives, black ones, for a Greek salad along the side with the Mediterranean Greek vinaigrette. I like using this one when I'm not making my own because if you look at the ingredients, they're pretty simple. You know what everything is. The basil pesto is for a chicken recipe. And then for the deli, I had bought some porchetta and square salami. This is what my kids love to eat. Then I bought corn for tonight's dinner, some eggs, buns from the local deli for my kids' sandwiches, some Ezekiel English muffin. My kids love this for breakfast sandwiches. Then I have bought some whole wheat bread for daycare because they prefer this one. Some Blue Menu bagels just to have in a freezer for quick breakfast. And the light rye, which is what my kids eat. I was all out of cereal, so I bought some more. As you all know, my kids don't eat cereal that often, so that bag will last me well over a month. I was also out of their favorite granola, and it was on sale, which was great. And then I bought these cookies to go with for the beach. There's the sparkling water that we buy all the time. I've got my Boston lettuce for lettuce wraps, spinach. I bought some French fries for daycare because they had asked me if they can have chicken nuggets and fries for lunch one day this week. So I had bought that. I had chicken nuggets in the freezer. Bought some cheese. We are having the garlic shrimp, so I buy this kind. I make sure it doesn't have tails and it's peeled. And then I bought beef broth for the French dip because I don't have any beef broth in the freezer. Apples, peaches, strawberries, lemons, blueberries, and I have price matched all of these, and I saved almost $10 by price matching. I bought, this is our favorite sour cream, and then some cottage cheese, pineapple, banana, watermelon, which I will be taking to the beach as well, and then my husband's yogurt, my yogurt, and the kids' yogurt. And then I have kale and romaine lettuce, and we usually go through almost the whole thing in a week. Some russet potatoes and coffee in a whole bean. My husband already made some. So this is it, and this has cost $230 plus $50 at the deli. Just to kind of give you an idea. Oh, and I'm going to show you something else. And the deal that they had at the store for spending over $225, you got this for free. It's the car cleaning value pack. And it comes with original Protect wipes, cleaning wipes. These are degrease power, and these are power cleaning for auto surface. I don't actually know what the difference between these two. And then glass wipes, and I think there is some wax wipes on the back. So now I'm going to put all this away and prep all my fruit for the week and show you how I do this. So just to give you an idea, I wash my fruit and I put them in the Food Saver containers from Tupperware with a paper towel on the bottom, and then I do put a paper towel on the top just to help absorb the moisture. And then they all have labels on them so you know how to vent the containers properly. So I have some with vents like these, which is the old style model, and then there's the new style, and the vents are on top. And I do this for most vegetables and most fruit. So here is what it looks like. So I got blueberries. I have also separated the Boston lettuce so it's ready for the wraps. I got my peppers, strawberries, cherries. I cut up 4 heads of romaine lettuce. I left 2 together, and then I have zucchini still from last week's market left over, so they're in here. I had switched them around, and now I'm going to put paper towel on top and put it in a fridge. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put these away into their containers. Here it all is. Cereal. I almost fit both of the bags from the granola in there. I have a little bit left. Eggs, and then I also stored away my coffee beans. So I'm prepping some, after I was done cutting up fruit, I'm prepping some treats for the kids, and I will be making flourless oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And all you need is some large flakes or quick cooking flake oats, dark chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use cranberries, nuts, whatever you want. Some vanilla, maple syrup, peanut butter, bananas, and some sea salt. And you put everything together and bake it. I am making a double batch because we are going to the beach on Monday, so I want to take some of it with us so that way we have a little bit more. Speaking of beach, I have also made a broccoli cauliflower salad. This is a really yummy salad with cheese and apple and onion and bacon, and then you make your own dressing. Let me know down below if you want me to share the recipe, because it is delicious. It can be as healthy as you want it to be, or as bad for you as you want it to be. I guess it's always healthy-ish because it has tons of veggies in it, but the dressing can be definitely can be made healthier. depending on what your definition of healthier is. So anyways, I'm going to assemble this and bake it. And they're done. Well, they're not done. They're going into the oven. First batch. And then the rest. And while that's baking, I have my eggs ready. And I'm going to hard boil them in my Instant Pot if I figure out how to close this thing. There we go. And you do it on manual and high pressure. 5, and make sure the vent is shut, and that's it. So here is the second batch all done. The first batch I had packaged up for them for work, and then there's some hard-boiled eggs. Just gonna close it up, put it in a fridge, and that's it. All I have left is cut up some veggies for tomorrow for the beach, and for Monday for the beach. And my meal prep for the week is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Oh, before I forget, I am making that one, some chicken breast for dinner. I had took out extra, so I will have some cooked chicken breast in a fridge for salads as well. But I will be making that on a barbecue for dinner, with our dinner. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.